I'm sure you've heard the rumors. Jamaicans are too blunt, too loud, too much. Well, let's set the record straight. Look, Jamaicans say it like it is. No sugarcoating here. We speak from the heart, and that honesty might seem harsh, but it's just being genuine. If we don't vibe, we won't pretend. It's not mean, it's real talk, and we're loud and proud. We talk with our hands, faces, and voices. It's passion, not aggression. What seems like a heated argument, often just lively chat. Respect, cornerstone of our culture. Mutual respect is key. Cross a line, we'll let you know. It's about boundaries and dignity. Our accent, a source of pride. Imitation feels like mockery. Appreciate our culture, sure, but don't try to sound like us. We're laid back, but with limits. We enjoy life, but know when to stand our ground. Laugh a lot, but address what matters. So next time you think a Jamaican's mean, remember, it's our spirited style. Dive into our culture, and you'll find warmth, kindness, and generosity. One love, always.